Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cover your face with emoji automatically in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have added my video to the project, and first of all, we need to go to the effects menu in Filmora. It's here, and you're going to go to the video effects and search for face of effect. Okay. This one guys, you can apply this effect to your video like this, and then I'm going to click on this icon to customize the effect, and here you can choose the emoji you want to use to cover your face. You can choose the blur effect as well, but here I'm going to cover it with emoji. I'm going to choose this rock emoji. Okay, and then I'm going to play it to show you the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to cover our face with emoji automatically in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!